Have you ever wondered why some gardeners harvest baskets full of beautiful eggplants, while others struggle to grow just a few? The truth is, it isn't luck. Most people are making a few simple mistakes that quietly reduce their harvest, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to avoid them. In this video, I'll share the only proven ways to dramatically increase your eggplant yield, even if you're a complete beginner. These are practical techniques that experienced gardeners use to keep their plants producing throughout the season. But make sure you stay with me until the very end, because the last few tips are some of the most overlooked, and they can make the biggest difference between an average harvest and an incredible one. You definitely won't want to miss them. Before we get started, if you enjoy gardening, growing your own food, and learning simple ways to get bigger, healthier harvests, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe to the Flora Atlas. It really helps the channel grow and allows us to keep bringing you practical gardening guides every week. Now let's dive in and discover how to grow more eggplants than ever before. 1. Start with healthy seedlings. Healthy plants begin long before they go into the garden. Choosing strong seedlings is one of the easiest ways to increase your harvest later in the season. Look for seedlings that have thick, sturdy stems, dark green leaves, no yellowing, no insect damage, compact, bushy growth. Avoid seedlings that are tall, thin, or floppy. These plants are usually stressed and often produce fewer fruits. If you're growing from seed, start them indoors, about 8 to 10 weeks before transplanting them outside. Give young plants plenty of light so they develop strong stems, instead of becoming weak and leggy. Remember, a healthy beginning almost always leads to a healthier, more productive plant. 2. Give eggplants plenty of sunlight. Eggplants are true sun lovers. To produce lots of flowers and fruits, they need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. Even more sunlight is better if your climate allows it. Sunlight powers photosynthesis, the process plants use to produce the energy they need for growth. More sunlight means stronger plants, more flowers, more fruits, better quality eggplants. If your plants receive too much shade, they'll often grow beautiful leaves but produce very few eggplants. Whenever possible, choose the sunniest spot in your garden. 3. Plant in rich, well-draining soil. Think of your soil as your plant's pantry. If it's full of nutrients, your eggplants will have everything they need to produce an abundant harvest. Before planting, enrich the soil with organic matter, such as compost, well-rotted manure, worm castings, organic garden compost. These improve soil fertility while helping it retain moisture without becoming waterlogged. Eggplants dislike wet feet. Heavy clay soil that stays soaked can lead to root rot and poor growth. The ideal soil pH is between 6.0 and 6.8, where nutrients are most available to the plant. Healthy roots are the foundation of high yields. 4. Give plants enough space. One mistake many beginners make is planting eggplants too close together. When plants are crowded, they compete for sunlight, water, nutrients. Air circulation. Crowded plants are also more likely to develop fungal diseases because moisture remains trapped between the leaves. For best results, plant eggplants about 18 to 24 inches apart, with rows approximately 3 feet apart. Giving each plant enough room allows it to grow larger and produce more fruit. Sometimes, fewer plants produce a much bigger harvest than overcrowded ones. 5. Water consistently. Eggplants thrive when they receive consistent moisture. Allowing the soil to repeatedly dry out and then flooding it with water stresses the plant. This can lead to flower drop, small fruits, bitter-tasting eggplants, reduced production. Instead, water deeply once or twice each week, depending on your weather and soil. Deep watering encourages roots to grow farther into the ground, making plants more drought resistant. Adding a layer of mulch around the base of the plant also helps keep moisture in the soil while reducing weed growth. Before we wrap up, here are a few extra tricks experienced gardeners swear by. 1. Add mulch to keep the soil cool and reduce water evaporation. 2. Rotate crops every year to prevent soil-borne diseases. 3. Support larger plants with stakes or cages to prevent branches from breaking. 4. Remove weeds regularly so they don't compete for nutrients. 5. Inspect your plants every few days to catch problems before they become serious. Small habits repeated consistently often lead to the biggest harvests. Growing a great eggplant harvest isn't about expensive products or complicated techniques. It's about giving your plants what they need: plenty of sunlight, healthy soil, consistent watering, the right nutrients, proper spacing, good pollination, and harvesting on time. Follow these simple tips and you'll be well on your way to a bigger, healthier harvest. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which tip was your favorite, or what's your biggest challenge when growing eggplants? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the Flora Atlas, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest gardening tips. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep growing, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy gardening!